Clustering aptitude question and answers. What are different types of clustering methods used in machine learning? Centroid based clustering, density based clustering, distribution model based clustering, connectivity based clustering, fuzzy clustering, constraint based clustering. What type of learning is clustering? Unsupervised learning. How many known clustering algorithms are there? More than 100. How the clustering is categorized? Hard clustering, soft clustering. In hard clustering, every node may belong to one cluster. In soft clustering, every node may belong to several clusters. Which is the simplest and most widely used clustering algorithm? K-means clustering. What is the minimum number of variables required to perform clustering? 1. Which method is used to determine optimal number of clusters in K-means algorithm? Elbow method. What is K in K-means clustering? K defines number of predefined clusters that need to be created in process. If K equal to 2, there will be 2 clusters. If K equal to 3, there will be 3 clusters. What is connectivity based clustering or also called hierarchical clustering? What are the types of hierarchical clustering? There are two types, divisive and agglomerative clustering. Which clustering algorithm is most sensitive to outliers? K-means clustering. Which clustering algorithm is called bottom-up approach? Agglomerative clustering. How the outliers are detected in hierarchical clustering? By using dendrograms, outliers are found. Expand DBSCAN clustering algorithm. Density based spatial clustering of applications with noise. What are two major components of DBSCAN clustering? DBSCAN requires two parameters, epsilon and minimum points. That is minimum number of points required to perform dense region. Which clustering algorithm uses merging approach? Hierarchical clustering. Which points are eliminated by DBSCAN algorithm? Noise points. Which clustering algorithm is most widely used? Fuzzy C-means clustering. What is constraint-based clustering? Constraint-based clustering finds clusters that satisfy user-specified preferences or constraints. How the model-based clustering are also called mixture models. Which is the most popular model-based clustering approach? Gaussian mixer models. Which is a clustering procedure where all objects start out in one giant cluster. Clusters are formed by dividing this cluster into smaller and smaller clusters. Divisive clustering. In which linkage method, distance between two clusters is calculated as the distance between their two furthest points? Complete linkage. Which clustering is frequently referred to as K-means clustering, non-hierarchical clustering? Thank you. Please do subscribe my channel for more updates.